Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw the Reaper from Fortnite. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So let's move over to the left side and draw on the upper eyelid. We're going to start on the outside, we're going to curve up and then in. Now let's leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. We're going to come down towards the right. From here we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the eyelid. So it's a half circle. From the outside we're going to step in to create an overlap. Work our way down to the bottom and pull that up to the top, leaving an overlap on the inside. We'll do the same thing on the right. On the top left side of each eye we're going to draw a small half circle for a highlight. Now let's add in the pupil. So this is going to go tucked in underneath the highlight. Starting down here, it's another half circle going around, then back up. We're going to fill that in black. And do the same thing on the right side. Let's move up and draw on the eyebrow. So from the corner of the eye, we're going to step up, draw an angled line going up and in, then we're going to curve across towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now let's draw on the upper part of the eyebrow. Starting from the outside, we're going to curve out and then up. Now let's move to the inside. We're going to draw two angled lines, two short lines coming in. Now I'm going to connect the outside to the inside with a curve. Let's go in and fill the eyebrows in black. On the inside edge of each eye, I'm just going to draw a wrinkle. Just a little curve going out. Now in the center, we're going to step down and draw on the nose. So it's almost like a U shape. Starting from the left, curve down in the middle, and then back up on the right. From here, we're going to draw on the top edge of the beard. From the side of the nose, we're going to step down, curve out, then down towards the left, and then the right. From here, we're going to work our way up towards the temple. Now we're going to add a little bit of a hair texture here. So we're going to curve up, do the same thing on the right. Now I'm going to add a little point. Just going to curve that back down. Now let's work our way back up towards the side of the eye. Now from the side of the beard, we're going to work our way up towards a part of the hair. Now this part is over on the left side. So we start here, curving around the eye, and we're going to go up, and we're just going to pull that down. Now from here, we're going to work our way around towards the right side. Start by going up, rounding it out, and then matching up with the right side of the beard. Let's add a scar going across the left eye. We're going to start at the top of the eyebrow, curving up and in. I'm going to taper this back down. We go to the bottom of the eye and draw a shorter curve. Coming down, and then we'll taper that back up. Directly below the nose, let's add the edge of the mustache. Starting from the left, we're going to curve up, and then down on the right. We're going to step down and draw a short curve in the opposite direction for the lower lip. Now let's add the bottom edge of the beard. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve down and in on both sides. Now we're going to curve this up underneath the lip, leaving a little bit of an overlap on the outside. Now we're going to move back up towards the side of the head and draw on the beard. So right on the side here, we're going to step over, curve down. Now we're going to come down toward a point in the center, just below the mouth. So right about there. We're going to work our way back up towards the right side, curving out and directly beside the temple. Let's go to the top here. We draw a straight angled line going up towards the left. Now from here we're going to curve out the side of the head. Going around, I'm going to pull this in beside the side of the beard here. Now from here we're going to curl it out. It's got a little curl on the side of his hair. Now we're going to taper that back in behind the beard. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Start up here, we're going to go a little bit higher. Round this out. Now we're going to come down just beside the edge of the beard. Now here we're going to flick this out towards the right. Let's taper that back in behind the beard. Now that we've drawn the head, we can work our way down the body. So let's start with the sides of the hip first. On either side, we're going to leave a gap. We're going to draw a curve going out and then down towards the left. We're going to line this up on the right, curve out, and then down towards the right. From here, we're going to draw two angle lines coming down and in. We want to leave a gap in the center. And we're going to go straight up underneath the chin. Let's add the collar of the jacket. So from the top, we're going to step down, draw an angle line coming down and out towards the left and right. Now we're going to pull this down towards the inside of the jacket. Now let's go back to the top. About halfway along this line, we're going to angle up and out. Now we're going to come back in underneath the chin. On the right side here, we're going to add a small pocket. So we're going to start with a straight line, come down on either side with a short line, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add the pockets on the sides here. So we're going to start with an angled line, come down with a straight line on either side, and then we'll close off the bottom. And we take that and flip it over on the right. Now let's add some detail to the inside. We're going to start from the tip of the beard. We're going to angle down and out towards the left, and then the right. We're going to step down and draw two angled lines coming down towards the center. Let's add the tie. From the left side, we're going to angle down and in. On the right, we'll come down. Close this off with a straight line. Now from these bottom corners, we're going to angle down and out, in behind the vest. From this point, straight down, just slightly higher than these 2 points here. Then we'll angle down and out in behind the jacket. Now one little thing here, I'm going to add a button, a small circle on the right side. Let's continue working down with the legs. So in the center, I'm going to step down, draw a curve from left to right for the lower torso. On the left side, I'm going to step in, curve out, and then down towards the heel on both sides. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. So from heel to toe, curve down, and then back up. Now we're going to round out the top of the foot. So from the left side, I'm going to curve up. Now we're going to pull this down, aiming towards the heel. We're going to stop right about there. And now we're going to curve in the opposite direction, going up towards the inside of the leg. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go in and thicken up the sole. So taking this curve, I'm just going to duplicate that right up above it. I'm going to add a small toe cap. From the top of the foot, we're going to curve in and then down. Now let's draw on the sides of the leg. From the bottom corner of the jacket, we're going to step in, curve out. Now we're going to pull that straight down on top of the foot. Let's move up and draw on the arms. So about halfway down the side of the body, I'm going to curve out and down towards the wrist on the left and right. Back on the left side, let's add in the thumb. So it's a small half circle. At the end of the thumb, we're going to draw a small bracket. At the bottom curve of the thumb, we're going to come down and up around the bracket. Now we're going to add two more fingers. We're going to step down, curve out, then back up. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and back up in behind the head. We take that and flip it over on the right, starting with the half circle for the thumb, then the bracket. At the bottom of the thumb, we'll come around the bracket, go up, step down, we'll go across and up for the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around and then in behind the head. Now the last thing we're going to do is add the cuff of the sleeve. From the wrist, we're going to come across and pull that up towards the outside of the arm. Do the same thing on the right. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's the Reaper from Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.